Coda. Come on, boy. Go. Coda. Stop, Ethan. Hi, Coda. Coda, right here. Coda. Seriously, Ethan. Seriously. I like my pet Coda. Coda, jump. Bite my shoe. Coda, bite my shoe. Coda, bite my shoe.
Oh.
Coda, bite my shoe.
Coda, bite Landon's shoe. He's not doing it. He's nothing.
Can you get Caleb?
Okay, I will get Caleb. Ow.
Coda. Okay.
I think I see a cat over there.
Oh God, there is a cat.
Yep.
Coda, cat.
Yeah, a black cat and a dog. Cat and a dog. Cat, dog. Cats eat some food and dogs eat food.
Ethan, you don't make no sense to it.
Cats drink some milk and dogs drink some water. And cats play with yarns and dogs play with balls. So cats play with coasters and dogs play with
All the time when they squirt down, Coda just stays by my predator for no reason. Coda! Oh my God! Coda, are you there? Cat! Why? Ethan, hold the phone and do it.
Okay. Coda, say cheese.
No! Do
Okay.
not press it.
Okay. Coda, where are you? Coda, don't go in the street. What? There's a train coming? I can't see. Where? I missed it? I didn't miss it.
No, like a puppy. Get him out of the school.
Coda. Ethan, move. So what were you saying?
Didn't get in the freaking car. Your mom's so fat.
Ethan,
Your mama's
give me
so
your phone.
fat.
Give me my phone.
Your mama's so fat. Your mama's so fat.
Wait, guys, I have to.
Ow!
This is Lakeland at the best days.